Good morning, Sally. The kids are still sleeping. Let's enjoy a quiet moment. I made some tea.
Thank you, Matthew. You always know what I need. Today feels special. Let's make it a family day.
Yes, a day for love and stories. Let's call your parents. The kids will be happy to see them. Grandpa Joey always tells funny stories.
And Grandma Kimberly gives the best hugs. I'll call them now. They'll be here in 1 hour. Let's wake the kids.
Good morning, Mom. Why are you smiling so big? Is something fun happening today? Can I guess?
Is it a party? Is it cake day? I love cake. And balloons.
No party today, sweetie. But Grandma and Grandpa are coming. We'll spend the day together. We'll talk, laugh, and share stories.
Cool. Grandpa Joey tells the best jokes. Last time, he made me laugh so hard. I almost dropped my juice.
I want to sit with Grandma. She sings soft songs. And she kisses my forehead. I feel warm inside.
That's called love, Ivy. We show love in many ways. A hug, a smile, a kind word. Even making tea for someone.
Justin, how do you show love? What do you do for Ivy? Even when she takes your toys. Be honest.
Sometimes I get mad. But I say sorry later. I help her with puzzles. And I share my cookies.
I like your cookies. And I like your hugs. Even when you're grumpy. You're still my big brother.
That's what family is. We argue sometimes. But we always come back to love. We say sorry. We forgive.
Hello, everyone. We brought cookies and smiles. Let's sit and talk. I have a new story for you.
Ivy, come here, sweetie. I missed your hugs. Let's sing your favorite song. You can dance too.
Yay. I love Grandma's songs. And Grandpa's stories. Can we sit on the couch?
Grandpa, tell the one about the big fish. The one that got away. It makes me laugh every time. You always act it out.
Alright, here we go. I was fishing with my brother. The fish was this big. But it jumped and splashed. And I fell in the water.
Ha ha. You always make it sound so real. I want to go fishing with you someday. Can we do that soon?
Of course, Justin. We'll go next weekend. Just you and me. We'll catch a big one together.
Ivy, do you want to help me bake cookies? We can mix and stir. And decorate with sprinkles. You'll be my little chef.
Yes. I want pink sprinkles. And heart shapes. Can we make some for Justin too?
Of course. We share with love. That's what family does. We care for each other.
I love seeing everyone together. It makes my heart full. Thank you, Mom and Dad. You always bring joy.
Family support is everything. Even when days are hard. We talk. We listen. We stay close.
That's right. Love is not just words. It's actions. It's time together. It's helping each other.
And saying I love you in many ways. A hug. A smile. A warm cookie. Even a quiet moment.
I love you, Ivy. Even when you take my toys. You're still my favorite sister. Let's play together now.
I love you too, Justin. You're funny and kind. Let's build a tower. And knock it down.
This is a perfect day. Thank you, everyone. Let's take a family photo. Say cheese.
Cheese. I love this family. We are strong. We are kind. We are full of love.
Good morning, Sally. The kids are still sleeping. Let's enjoy a quiet moment. I made some tea.
Thank you, Matthew. You always know what I need. Today feels special. Let's make it a family day.
Yes, a day for love and stories. Let's call your parents. The kids will be happy to see them. Grandpa Joey always tells funny stories.
And Grandma Kimberly gives the best hugs. I'll call them now. They'll be here in 1 hour. Let's wake the kids.
Good morning, Mom. Why are you smiling so big? Is something fun happening today? Can I guess?
Is it a party? Is it cake day? I love cake. And balloons.
No party today, sweetie. But Grandma and Grandpa are coming. We'll spend the day together. We'll talk, laugh, and share stories.
Cool. Grandpa Joey tells the best jokes. Last time, he made me laugh so hard. I almost dropped my juice.
I want to sit with Grandma. She sings soft songs. And she kisses my forehead. I feel warm inside.
That's called love, Ivy. We show love in many ways. A hug, a smile, a kind word. Even making tea for someone.
Justin, how do you show love? What do you do for Ivy? Even when she takes your toys. Be honest.
Sometimes I get mad. But I say sorry later. I help her with puzzles. And I share my cookies.
I like your cookies. And I like your hugs. Even when you're grumpy. You're still my big brother.
That's what family is. We argue sometimes. But we always come back to love. We say sorry. We forgive.
Hello, everyone. We brought cookies and smiles. Let's sit and talk. I have a new story for you.
Ivy, come here, sweetie. I missed your hugs. Let's sing your favorite song. You can dance too.
Yay. I love Grandma's songs. And Grandpa's stories. Can we sit on the couch?
Grandpa, tell the one about the big fish. The one that got away. It makes me laugh every time. You always act it out.
Alright, here we go. I was fishing with my brother. The fish was this big. But it jumped and splashed. And I fell in the water.
Ha ha. You always make it sound so real. I want to go fishing with you someday. Can we do that soon?
Of course, Justin. We'll go next weekend. Just you and me. We'll catch a big one together.
Ivy, do you want to help me bake cookies? We can mix and stir. And decorate with sprinkles. You'll be my little chef.
Yes. I want pink sprinkles. And heart shapes. Can we make some for Justin too?
Of course. We share with love. That's what family does. We care for each other.
I love seeing everyone together. It makes my heart full. Thank you, Mom and Dad. You always bring joy.
Family support is everything. Even when days are hard. We talk. We listen. We stay close.
That's right. Love is not just words. It's actions. It's time together. It's helping each other.
And saying I love you in many ways. A hug. A smile. A warm cookie. Even a quiet moment.
I love you, Ivy. Even when you take my toys. You're still my favorite sister. Let's play together now.
I love you too, Justin. You're funny and kind. Let's build a tower. And knock it down.
This is a perfect day. Thank you, everyone. Let's take a family photo. Say cheese.
Cheese. I love this family. We are strong. We are kind. We are full of love.